It started out with my dad trying to convince me to play golf with him. He told me that if I took a certain amount of lessons with a golf coach at his course, that he would buy me new lacrosse equipment. And, you know, I took that and ran with it.
In 2014, I took a new position with Gilbane Building Company. I met John Keefer, Johnny's dad, and John and his wife Judy, who also worked for Gilbane, kind of adopted me as part of the family, and that's when I met Johnny. And he had a love for golf and all things sports, and meshed as a family.
So Mark introduced Johnny to us through a luncheon that we had at a local country club. And unfortunately, we went out to play golf with Johnny and should have known better. First time seeing the course, he put up a 66, I think it was. So we knew that he really had some innate, skill and character to play this game. The way he's striking the ball, we know this guy's in it, like he's committed to doing this, and it felt like just real easy to get behind that.
I think Johnny's a good fit for Primus because of his willingness to get out there, his attitude towards furthering his strengths, and Johnny's mentality aligns with Primus's mentality.
I've known for a long, long time that Johnny Keefer is a rock-solid individual. And those are the kind of people that you want to surround yourself with as you go through life and as you're pursuing your professional career. And I just felt like it was a really, really good fit and good opportunity. Everybody needs a break in life, and if we, Primus, could provide some sort of little financial assistance or that first break that takes some of the pressure off so Johnny can perform professionally, then it's a win-win for everybody.
Obviously, the financial burden of professional golf is very, very tough. Having Primus have my back has been, incredible. I'd love to continue the relationship and continue building it.